This one source gave me $30,000 worth of books and I never even had to touch them. And in this video, I'm gonna go over how you can do the same. And at the end of this video, I actually have a very special gift for you guys to help you accomplish, actually taking advantage of this. So let's dive into it. I went to college at Lindsey Wilson College and I wrestled there, and turns out all the athletes, not even just the wrestlers, everybody had to return their books to the college campus afterwards. Now you can use this strategy not only with college campuses, but libraries, with thrift stores, with your friends, whatever. This is just my scenario, and it was $30,000 worth of books. So over the years, after every semester was over with, I had the athletic directing department who got all the athletes' books. I had them pack those books up in a box and ship them to my lister here in Tennessee. I didn't pay anything for the books. I told them, hey, after the book sells, I'll pay you 50% of the profit. So every year, my school packed up all the books. They're all good because they're circulating on a college campus. Any books that are on a college campus are almost always profitable. So they just shipped them to me. We'd prep and pack them on Amazon. When they sold, we waited for that 30-day window to pass to ensure there's no returns. And then we cut them 50% of the check. And over the years, we've done $30,000 in sales value. And they've probably made me 10 grand profit from that. After me paying them their 20% or 50% cut, we probably did 20,000 gross profit. They got 10, I got 10. One of the best strategies you can use. Now you can also go to your local library and propose to them, hey, I have this stack of books here. I can pay you $1 today. Or if you want, I can take these home. I'll come every week. I'll scan the books and I'll sell them for you and pay you 50% of the profit. You can actually show them your data if you have it. Hey, this is how much books I've sold lifetime. This is how much profit I made. If your books are similar to that and I bring 100, 200 books every couple of weeks from your library, you guys could be making a few, like $700 profit each month. Like, lay it out to them, break the numbers down for them. Take the books to your house. Don't pay anything for them. List them, ideally with GoToLister, the fastest listing software on the planet. That's my software, free trial below. Be sure when you're listing them to put the source, whatever the library is, Richland Library, put that in there. And then download the report once a month. And I use Caleb Roth's tracking spreadsheet. I'll link that below as well. And then we just run numbers to see what different sources, how much profit each source made after long-term storage fees, actually it factors in FBA fees, inbound shipping fees, all that. And then we just pay them half the profit. So it's a great strategy to build your business. I did over $500,000 in profit selling books over the years just with this method alone. So if you guys want, this is my special announcement for the special offer I had. There is a link and multiple videos showing you how to use a consignment spreadsheet. It's called the tracking spreadsheet. It helps you run a business like this. And if you guys use the code that's in the show notes, you actually get half off on that sheet, or at least a discount. I'm trying to negotiate half off as we speak. I texted him, so hopefully he gives half off. But you guys do want to take advantage of that? That is below. But consignment is one of the best ways to build your Amazon book business. You don't have to pay for the books up front. You're building a long-term relationship. You're sending them money every month for books that sold. So there's communication constantly going on. And it's a good way to build a sustainable business. I built and sold a consignment business. My mentor, Caleb Roth, built and sold a consignment business. My friend over in California runs a consignment business, does about $1 million a year. There are so many different ways to get books on consignment, sell them for people, and really build a sustainable book business as like income that can come over and over and over again. Repetitive income, consistent income, not just going to thrift stores, finding books, but also having books come to you, shipped to you via different sources. Hope you guys liked that video. If you did, be sure to subscribe. And also, if you haven't already, sign up for the Feed the Beast Challenge. It's a 100% free group on how to build your Amazon FBA book business. Links to that will be below. Much love. Peace.